The hiker is built for weekend warriors, a must-have companion when you and a friend hit the trail for a day or two. Inside the kit are semi-transparent pockets that are organized and labeled by injury in French and English, so you know exactly where to reach. Adventure Medical Kit's exclusive manual, A Condensed Guide to Wilderness Medicine, is a must-have resource packed with valuable information on diagnosing and treating the most common and serious injuries affecting backpackers and hikers. The wound care pocket features EMT shears, a variety of wraps and bandages to immobilize and support fractures, and pre-cut moleskins to treat hot spots and blisters. The medications pocket includes after-bite bite treatment, as well as space to pack your own medications to treat pain, fever, inflammation, diarrhea, and allergic reactions. Cuts and scrapes items include our exclusive easy access bandages, butterfly closer bandages, antiseptic wipes, and more. Stop bleeding fast with a sterile trauma pad and nitrile gloves. The International Mountain Series medical kits provide you with the highest quality first aid supplies and medical information based on the most current guidelines in wilderness emergency medicine. Be prepared for your next adventure by ordering your kit today.